Hello everyone, my name is Sam Lotfallahi and I'm an Australian registered migration agent with more than 15 years of experience in Australian migration law. In order to be eligible to apply for any partner visa, an applicant must show that their relationship is genuine and continuing. So the department are required to take into account four important aspects of the relationship: the financial aspect, the nature of the household, the social aspect, and the nature of the person's commitment to each other. Let's have a look at the financial aspect of the relationship. Now, these are just some of the items that you can provide as evidence. Obviously, there could be more items that you might have to show that you both have a committed relationship towards each other. Shared ownership of any real estate or any major assets like a vehicle or land. A joint liability. Let's say you bought a house and you're paying a mortgage. Household expenses. Whether you and your partner share the day-to-day expenses of the household. Legal obligations. Whether one person in the relationship owes any legal obligations in respect of the other are just some of the items that can show the case officer the financial aspects of your relationship. Another important aspect is the nature of the household. The nature of the household requires the department to consider whether you and your partner live together. Now, there are a number of factors that can determine whether you guys live together and satisfy this aspect or not. So joint utility accounts like gas, electricity, phone, internet, all of these can be one strong documentation to show that you both live together. Official letters, especially if they are addressed to both parties at the same residential address, is one important factor. If you have children and you have shared responsibility for care and support of the children, and obviously housework. Shared responsibility for housework can show that you're both living together. The third factor is the social aspect of the relationship. So the social aspects of the relationship considers the applicant's broader social life and connections in order to determine whether the relationship is real and genuine. Statements from friends, statements of parents, family members, relatives, they all can count towards the social aspects of the relationship. Another item that can be counted towards this aspect is group membership. If you and your partner have a joint membership of organizations or group, that can be considered. If you have joint travel plans for the future, that can show the social aspect of the relationship as well. Now, the fourth factor, the nature of the commitment. The nature of the commitment refers to the decision maker understanding that you and your partner are in a mutually committed ongoing relationship. The decision maker will be more likely to grant your application if they are satisfied that you and your partner are in a serious and established relationship. Some items to consider: length of your relationship. So the duration of the relationship or the length the parties have lived together is one important aspect of showing the nature of your commitment. The level of support, which is the degree of companionship or emotional support that both parties draw from each other. Overall evidence of the parties' intentions towards the relationship, the partner's knowledge of each other's personal circumstances, and this could include like background, family situation, and everything else, which can be established in an interview, is very important to consider. Thank you very much for your time for this webinar. Obviously, you still might have a lot more questions, which we will be more than happy to answer. Please make sure that you subscribe to our channel for any updates regarding the partner visa. Thank you very much. Hope you have a great day, night, wherever you are. Ciao.